present.
Ano to?
Late present.
Ano to?
Formal.
Siomay. Ano yan? Bakit? Ang galing naman eh. May pa ganyan pa eh. Ano to? Open. Mami ABL. From ABL. Oh wow, ang ganda naman. May pa-cake ako.
Kita niyo na blue.
In a garden of love. Oh, dear mommy. In a garden of love, a mother should glean.
Gleam.
Huh?
Green.
Sorry. In a garden of love, a mother should glean. Thank you for teaching me to be good and disciplined. Wow. Just want to say happy birthday, hoping that this will make your day. Wow. The feeling of being loved by a mother, it's a priceless gift. Such a pleasure. Best mother ever. Oh! Kinikilig ako.